Okay. Now we will discuss how do you write the get API. I mean, the get procedure will be used in API. Okay. So first of all, same thing. You just create the get procedure emp get underscore emp. Okay. For this get procedure, I am going to pass only employee number integer. Okay. So that means I will pass employee number as a parameter to the procedure. So based on the employee number, I want to get the result. Okay. So underscore emp number. Okay. So simple procedure. So take this procedure for, we will execute this procedure in DB level. Then we will go for API level. Here, how many records are available in EMP table? 4 records are available. Okay. If I take this employee number, so I have to get this result. Okay. If I give unwanted number like 1000, then I am getting empty records. Okay, just column names I am getting. Okay, so for this, how do you write the API? Okay, so same code but with minor changes. Okay, here I am changing the API name, and I don't want the other parameters. I want just employee number, so that you can remove other parameters. So here, observe this. For insert procedure, I am getting status code and message as a response. Okay, so I know what type of response I will get from the insert procedure. Okay, according to that, I am taking this first object in the result array. Okay, but here for get procedure, I may get multiple objects. I mean multiple records. Okay, so for that, I am taking entire array and moving to the response. Okay, so for this I am checking if the response dot length greater than 0, then I will give response dot status code. So not response dot status code. In this get procedure, I will get only data, not any status code and messages. Okay, you observe this. I am not returning any status code and message. So see this API response. For default, it is 200 and success. After that, data, that will be array. Okay. So I am giving 200 and success. And here data means response. Okay. If invalid employee number, if you pass, then what will happen? You will not get any response from the DB. So no data available. Here change the procedure name. Okay, and execute it. And sorry, put the debug mode. Oh. See. Oh, sorry. This request is different from. Okay, maybe JSM and EMP number. First, we will test in best case. I mean, whatever the employee numbers exist in table, we will check with that number 1 2 1 2. Send it and see. So next, observe this. Here, what will be the params length? 1. Okay, that means the first position in the result array that will contains the response from the DB. Okay, so this is also in array. Okay, so the entire array I am moving to response. Okay, so response dot length greater than 0. That means if we are getting the records from the MySQL DB, then I am returning 200 status code and success message and response. Whatever I am getting from MySQL, that thing I am returning to as a response. Okay, and here you can write status code for it. So if response does not contain any records, that means if you are getting empty records from the database, so in that case I am returning status code as do not find and no data available, and response means that will be empty array. Okay, so now check it. See this 200 success 1 2 RAM 20,000. Okay, so only one record is satisfied. Next, if I pass invalid employee number, see this, no data available, empty array. Okay, and if I pass null, so in some of the cases, if I pass employee number as a null, then I need to get all the records from the table. Okay, so this type of requirement will come in real time. So in that cases, so there will be no change in API side. There will be change in DB side. Okay, if parameter is null, then you need to consider the column. Okay, a column equal to here. If the parameter employee number is null, then it will take EMP number which belongs to EMP table. Okay, so EMP number equal to EMP number. That means it will return all the records. See this, all the records. Okay, so this is about get procedure. Okay, so in validations, see, generally this type of validations we will store in error messages. So where it is, error messages. So export constant success message success no data available. So for this message you can give like this, and no response DB. you can remove this and you can write if I give 1 2, if I give 1, so no data available, message we will get. Okay, so this is the way to write get API.